Due to today's hectic lifestyles, bakeries are taking the place of preparing homemade baked goods for everyday meals and special occasions. However, the question now is, how safe and healthy are bakery items to your health? Is it time we consider the do's and don'ts of selecting the right bakery items, particularly for individuals managing health issues? So let's find out in our news series called Berkhat Arsen, or Think Twice, which highlights issues that surrounds people from health and education to social issues and many more. Let's listen in.
Di uwe ujing bam ubalong ubadon kamba mo man la kibriu man la kayeng kidan ba ya uruti tangba apat na uruti pat kidi kipon tikini cakes tikini kistei kibaleng ong ipi kisniu namar kidi kijing bam kibangi ong daga aktin nong way kita ki high calorie food naga calorie kimdon pat ya kita ki jingbam kiban ayo ki nutrients mo kum kamet ke jongi kidon kami ki vitamin kidon kami ki mineral kidon kami ki fiber kidon kami ki proteins ban yo bor bakan tre kam den em den rei kini ngi shamba kim yo kenya kita.
Well, you can also watch the full report on our YouTube channel at DD News Meghalaya. So moving on to Meghalaya Games update.